Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to present NeuronOS to you. This is an AI coded project that I created. So what is the NeuronOS? So it is a AI layer on top of your operating system so that you can talk to your operating system. So like this, you can execute shell commands using NeuronOS, and you can search anything on your folders or files for a particular file, or you can do a web search on NeuronOS. So you have to give a simple natural language command in a simple English language, and your NeuronOS can execute the shell commands for you. So let's find out if it can create a temp files folder in D drive or not. So I am giving a simple English command that create a folder named temp files in D drive. Let's see if it can execute it. So it has created a folder temp files in D drive. Let me go to it. See, it has created a folder temp files. So let's see if it can write to a file or not. So let's go here and give it a command to write a hello world program. So I will write hello.py in temp files folder. So it will have a hello world program in hello.py inside the temp files folder. Let's execute it. So as you can see, it has executed this command. For this, I am using various tools. So I am using LangGraph and FastAPI and React to create this product. So as you can see, it has created the hello.py inside the temp files. So as you can see, it is hello world, print hello world program is there. So let's see if it can execute this hello.py. So I'm going and I'm trying to execute the hello.py using simple execute hello.py English language command. So now it is trying to execute and it has successfully executed hello world. As you can see, it has executed Python and then hello.py. So below this you can see whatever the commands that it has executed. So you can see it has created a temp files folder. It has written the file hello world program to hello.py, and it has executed hello.py and got output here. Let's see if it can delete the hello.py file or not. So I will delete entire temp files folder. Let me try again. So it is asking for confirmation. So I have given the confirmation to remove the temp files folder. As you can see, there is no temp files folder now. So this is how you can give commands to the uh, NeuronOS, and sometimes it might fail just like this because I don't know whatever error might have happened. I'm using Groq API key for as a LLM to execute these commands. Like I'm using Groq API for the LLM to execute these AI agents. Another thing we can search is that we can do a web search. Let's do a web search for gold prices in India. So as you can see, it has open DuckDuckGo for gold prices in India. So it uses Playwright MCP server in the background to do this everything. So as well as it has also find out the gold price per gram for 24 karat, 22 karat and 80 karat gold. So that's it. That's I wanted to show you. Please like, share and subscribe my video, and do try this NeuronOS. I have given this GitHub link in the video description. So thank you.